Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, James.
No problem.
So I wanted to talk to you today about basics. I wanted to know who you are, and why you're running for council, and what you hope to accomplish.
Well, I'm a 48-year-old single, I'm engaged, dad who's looking after my elderly dad. I'm the MS ambassador for Dufferin Caledon. I'm a very huge advocate for mental health awareness in this community. I really truly feel that a lot of the stuff that has happened within our town, especially with the council, there was so much personal agenda that it was not even funny. And that's why I got into it. I've already observed things at Queen's Park, Parliament Hill and everything. But our town hall, that was the worst clown fiasco I've ever seen. I'm sorry.
So in what way was it a fiasco?
The bickering, the personal stuff, it was, I don't like you, and so I'm going to do this to not make this work and all this other. So it was the uncooperation of the town council. That's why we're in the situations we're in now. And that's what I want to address.
And that's why you want to run for council?
Yes.
Well, is there anything else you would like to tell the voters about yourself that maybe we don't know?
I've been in construction. I've pretty much done everything in construction, from building houses to tearing them down, roads, infrastructure, maintenance, lawn care, like landscaping, law enforcement, been canine unit, special constable, I guess you would call me. So more or less, I'm a jack of all trades and a master of none.
Very, very well. This is true. So, well, I want to thank you very much for participating in this video series. It's quite important, not just for me, but for the voters. As you know, providing context and learning a little bit more about you is quite important. So thanks for coming in, James.
No problem.
And if you'd like to see more of what James has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And thank you for watching.